So, I'm thankful for the gift of life, friendship, love, support from my loved ones.
Love, joy, hope! Sa akin, yung siguro prayers, wish granted. Number 1 is healthy family members. So, hindi naman natin hinangad na magkaroon ng maraming pera, pero healthy family members, number 1. Number 2 is yung opportunity to be in places once I wish before. So, hindi natin nakalain. And then, 3 is gift of work and nice workspace.
Meaningful and blessed 2025, more blessing and meaningful 2026, and good health, more money and opportunity.
I found peace, define happiness, meaningful days, productive year, more sales, more services, no sales.
Okay. Ang achievement ko ngayon ay tapos na OJT ko, tapos nagkakarakit ako, and nakabili ako ngayon ng mga equipment ko sa camera, tapos grateful ako, syempre sa mga friends and family, lalo-lalo na nandito si mama and hindi kami magkakaway na magkakapatid ko, saka I'm still alive.
Ang sa akin ay finally living the life without feeling the guilt and shame.
Ang akin ay celebrating my 1-year work anniversary. I bought my own iPad with my hard-earned money.
Okay? First things first, I'm thankful to God that I'm still alive. And then I step out of my comfort zone. And then I went to Dubai for a long break. And then wishing for a healthy life for my whole family and friends.
Beyond grateful to everyone who supported me all the way to completing my very last requirement. And now, I'm just counting down to stepping on stage in my caps, 3-stripe gown, and proudly holding my diploma. And hopefully with license na din sana. And also grateful that Ben and I is still together. Seeing him pass the dentistry licensure exam 2025 and now got his first job as a dentist.
This is for Ivan. Grateful si Ivan sa blessings na na-achieve niya for his family. Nakapagpatayo na kasi sila ng bago nilang bahay. Dahil sa pagsisikap rin niyang makapag-ipon ng kaunti para sa kontribusyon niya sa pagpapagawa. And for having me as his partner, that always supports. Blessings ko lang kasi healthy ang mga mahal niya sa mundo. Sa akin, blessed ako and grateful kasi nakasurvive ako sa struggles ko this year. Traveled with Ivan, felt loved and guided by the Lord. Super.
Well,